Alaska, the last frontier, a land of untamed wilderness, towering mountains, and incredible wildlife. It's a place that calls to the adventurer in all of us. Are you ready to answer the call? Let's embark on an unforgettable journey through this awe-inspiring state. Pack your sense of adventure and get ready for an experience of a lifetime. Alaska is immense. It's bigger than Texas, California, and Montana combined. But don't let its size intimidate you. With a bit of planning, you can experience the best of Alaska's natural wonders. Get ready to witness breathtaking landscapes, encounter incredible wildlife, and immerse yourself in the rich culture of the last frontier. Get ready to feel truly alive. Our journey starts in Anchorage, Alaska's largest city, where the urban landscape meets the untamed wilderness. Don't be fooled by the urban setting, though. This city is more than just buildings and streets. Anchorage is a gateway to adventure, offering countless trails and outdoor activities right at its doorstep. Step off the plane and you can feel the wildness in the air, a sense of excitement and possibility. The Chugach Mountains rise majestically in the distance, a constant reminder that you're on the edge of something truly extraordinary. These mountains are not just a backdrop, they are an invitation to explore. Start your exploration in downtown Anchorage, where the city's vibrant energy is palpable. It's a vibrant hub with museums, art galleries, and shops that showcase the unique culture and history of the region. Visit the Alaska Native Heritage Center for a glimpse into the rich cultures of Alaska's indigenous people. Here, history comes alive through stories and exhibits. Learn about their traditions, art, and deep connection to the land. Witness traditional dance performances and admire intricate crafts. You'll gain a whole new appreciation for the spirit of Alaska, understanding the deep-rooted heritage that shapes this land. No trip to Anchorage is complete without sampling the local cuisine. The flavors here are as bold and diverse as the landscape. Head to the waterfront and treat yourself to fresh Alaskan seafood. Imagine succulent salmon, halibut, and crab, all bursting with flavor. Each bite tells a story of the ocean's bounty. These aren't just meals, they're culinary experiences that capture the essence of Alaska's natural riches. From Anchorage we venture north to Denali National Park, a journey that promises adventure and awe-inspiring landscapes. Buckle up for a scenic drive that will leave you breathless. The park's highway will take you past towering mountains, sparkling rivers, and vast forests, each turn revealing a new wonder. Keep your eyes peeled for wildlife as this park is teeming with life. You might spot moose, caribou, or even a grizzly bear. The thrill of seeing these magnificent creatures in their natural habitat is unmatched. Denali is home to North America's highest peak, Denali itself, standing tall and proud. This majestic mountain dominates the landscape, its snow-capped peak often shrouded in clouds, creating a mystical aura. Take a guided tour into the heart of the park, where expert rangers share their knowledge and passion. Explore its vast wilderness on foot, where every step brings you closer to nature. Hike through pristine forests and alpine meadows where the flora and fauna are untouched by time. The air is fresh, the silence is profound, and the views are simply breathtaking, offering a sense of peace and tranquility. Denali is a wildlife enthusiast's dream, a place where nature's wonders are on full display. Go on a wildlife safari, an adventure that brings you face to face with the park's diverse inhabitants. You'll have the chance to see grizzly bears, wolves, caribou, Dall sheep, and more in their natural habitat, living as they have for centuries. And more in their natural habitat, a testament to the park's rich biodiversity. Remember to keep a safe distance and respect these incredible creatures, ensuring their continued survival and our safety. Our Alaskan adventure continues, and the journey is just getting started. We're heading south to Glacier Bay National Park, a place of breathtaking natural beauty. Prepare to be amazed by the sheer scale and beauty of the glaciers, which have been sculpting the landscape for thousands of years. Take a cruise through the icy waters, where you'll get up close and personal with these magnificent ice formations. Witness towering glaciers calving into the sea, a dramatic and awe-inspiring sight. It's a truly humbling experience, reminding us of the immense power and beauty of nature. Next, we'll journey to Fairbanks, Alaska's second-largest city, rich in history and culture. This historic town was once a booming gold rush town, where fortune seekers flocked in hopes of striking it rich. Visit the Museum of the North and delve into the gold rush history, exploring fascinating exhibits and artifacts. Experience the thrill of panning for gold yourself. Feel the excitement as you sift through the gravel, hoping to find a glimmer of gold. Fairbanks is also one of the best places in the world to see the Northern Lights, a natural phenomenon that will leave you spellbound. Imagine the sky ablaze with dancing lights of green, purple, and red, painting a mesmerizing picture across the night sky. It's a truly magical experience, one that will stay with you forever.